What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome back to another video. So in this one, we're going to talk about one of my other favorite subjects, and that is making money on Clickbank. So in this one, we're going to talk about making your first $30,000 on Clickbank. It's a very simple yet powerful strategy to implement and make money. Now, what I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to actually share this strategy first, and I'm going to show you examples so you see it in action. Alright guys, so let's get it started. We have a lot to talk about, and let's talk about making money on Clickbank. So I'm going to start this by just explaining the blueprint a little bit, guys, and then I'm just going to show you some examples here. So guys, the idea with this is actually quite simple, yet building it might take some time, but trust me, when you actually build it, it's just such an amazing thing. It's going to be so profitable that you're going to enjoy it, and it's just one of those things that it's very automated. You know, you don't really have to do much. All you got to do is just send people through it. All right, so let me explain. So the funnel starts with obviously an opt-in page. Now this is where you drive traffic, and you have to drive your own traffic. If you want to search on my YouTube channel, there are a lot of traffic strategies that I've talked about before. You can do paid, free, all that stuff. Again, that's up to you, and that's a separate conversation for a separate video. But I'm going to put some videos for you right here in the card section. But yeah, opt-in page, you got to drive some traffic to it. That's just the key here. You want to drive good traffic, targeted, and that starts right there. All right, so I'm just gonna mark it with green. There you go. So then after that, this is where things get interesting. I want you to pay attention because this is very important. So first section after your opt-in page is a pre-sale page. So in case if you don't know what's a pre-sale page is a page where you convince someone to check out a product. You know, this is a very light pre-sale page. Now the idea here with this is value. Okay, so what you want to do is right off the bat, when someone joins your list, you want to tell them, hey, you're not here to just shove products down their throat. That's very important. You want to tell them, hey, I want to obviously sell something, but I want to help as well. You know, that's the whole point, because one of the best ways to sell something is to just sell and help at the same time. So it's just better experience. You make a lot more money, and everything is just better. You know, so value is the key here. So when you build your pre-sale page, you want to make sure you have a good headline and a good video. If you don't have your own videos, which is the case for 99% of people, you can find a nice video on YouTube. You know, it doesn't have to be your video, guys. Okay, it doesn't have to be your video. You can just take someone's video. You don't have to download it, but just like embed it on a page. You know, that's actually good for them as well, because you're giving them free views. So, just put it on the page and provide a link to your affiliate product. Again, that's just, it would be like this. It would be just like a link to the affiliate product. Now, this is pretty much where the funnel ends, but this is really actually the beginning. Now, let me show you an example of these two, and then we're going to get into the emails here, okay? It's very important. So this is an example. It's actually fun fact. This is a funnel about Clickbank itself, but this can be about anything, about health, about, beauty, all these weight loss niches, personal, all that. Again, it can be anything. So it's just, in this case, I just have this because I'm running ads to this funnel myself. So again, a video, very simple, just a headline and a very simple form, nothing crazy here. How to make $300 a day using 3-step promotion method. So that's it, very simple, right? And then this is the page. I've been using this page a lot recently because it's been working very well, and it's just that the simplicity of it is just working. So again, I get a nice headline related to this. That's very important. You want these headlines to have some sort of similarity, so they see, okay, they feel like they're on the right track here. Yeah, so that's called consistency. That's something I've talked about before. But yeah, and then we got a nice video. In this case, I have my own video. This is a very popular video. But yeah, so you can actually just take anyone and just embed a video that you find useful from YouTube, all right, on your page. And then I got my button, which goes to the affiliate link, and then there's more description and then more buttons. So that's pretty simple, right? That's again very simple. Opt-in, pre-sale, right? Now next is the whole funnel side of it, where things get very interesting. Okay, this is where you gotta spend some time to build it up. So the idea here is that, guys, if you want to sell products on Clickbank, this funnel is not going to be built for just a single product. What you can do is you can build a relationship with your funnel, with the people who are subscribing to this funnel basically, and provide valuable information. Okay, that's very important. So here's what you're gonna do. The pre-sale page was kind of a value / sales, right? So if they bought, sure. If they didn't, well, you know, so what? Who cares? But the thing is that what you want to do is you want to start providing value after that. So the first email that they're going to get from you is this. It's a valuable email. Now guys, I want you to remember this is something that no one is doing here, and this is the key to having an amazing email funnel. All right, an amazing email funnel. And that is basically having a funnel where people don't have to click away. That's very important. This is something no one does because it's such a daring thing to do, but if you do it and if you do it right, you're gonna be making a lot of money. Okay, so here's what I mean. So instead of, you know, let's say you send them a valuable email. Again, in valuable email, I mean like there's like it's an article inside the email itself where they read, and there's like instructions, pictures, and all of that stuff, right? And they read that, and they're gonna, okay, this is interesting, I might try this. Again, the point here is I send them something that they don't have to click away. There's no link to watch a video or anything like that. It's content and images in that article. It's imagine you're sending them an article in an email. They don't have to click away. That's the whole point. So this way, when they see that you're sending this amazing content to them, they're gonna be like, okay, this is actually pretty good, and they trust you. And that's the whole point. You want to establish that relationship where they see, okay, this person is actually trying to add some value to my life. And then after that, the next email you send is gonna be a pitch email. Again, this can be an email where you send them back to the pre-sale page, okay, where they buy the product, or it can be a bonus email. They say, hey guys, by the way, if you buy this product that I just talked about, you can get this bonus course. Now we've talked about this stuff, and it's something we talk about a lot inside Adversity as well, like providing bonuses and stuff like that. And by the way guys, if you don't know how to build this stuff, the tools I'm using, this one's Thrive Architect and Aweber for email marketing. Again, that's something we talk about inside Adversity. But so yeah, so again, this is the whole point, you know, provide value and then have a soft pitch, which is, hey, by the way, check this out again. Or by the way, did you know there's a bonus for this? If you join, I'm gonna give you like this $100 course. All that stuff. Again, it can be something very, very valuable, something that is useful to them. And then again, goes back to value, and then goes back to pitch, and then goes back to value, goes back to pitch, goes back to value, goes back to pitch. And that's the whole point. So this is how it works, guys. It's just such a powerful thing, because what's gonna happen is that you build this system where people will only click away. This is the like behavior or the psychology of it, that people will only click away if they want to buy something. And this is going to be engraved in their mind. So when they click away, they know, okay, I'm gonna have to buy something. So they mentally get themselves ready to buy something. It's just such an important thing, because these are small stuff that a lot of people miss, and it's very powerful, guys, very powerful. Now while we are there, guys, before I continue to talk about some other stuff that I want you to do when you run these funnels, is that I want to talk about the Silver Masterclass. So this is a new program that we just launched a month ago. It's absolutely amazing. I'm going to tell you why. So this program is actually going to provide you with a done-for-you funnel. So instead of, you know, building this stuff yourself, you can actually have done-for-you funnels here that we provide. And this is actually a direct approach continuous program. Let me explain what that means. Actually, is that instead of just you know, having to build your funnels, we're going to provide done-for-you funnels, done-for-you content, everything, and then you actually are going to get a new one every single week. And this program also provides a coach, dedicated coach that you can, you know, ask questions, you can email him, call him, all that stuff. It's just all included. It's one of the perks of being an university member. Our members know, like, you have your own coach, you can just contact them. So it's an amazing program. Check it out. I'm actually going to show you one of the funnels and stuff. So this is one of the funnels that we just posted last week. Okay, again, this is a program that we add new funnels every week. So again, this is just continually being updated, you know, with new stuff. So when you actually join the program, your business is gonna grow every week because you're gonna get a new proven done for you funnel every week. So this is one of the programs, right? And what it does is actually, by the way, Silver's Masterclass is gonna actually give you access to our high ticket affiliate program where you can make these big commissions. All right, so check that out. So these $1,000 or $2,000 or $4,000 commissions. So, you know, high ticket is the key to success in affiliate marketing, and this is going to give you that. Now take a look. This is a 17-minute video, right, which was posted with this, and this 17 minutes is going to explain everything from deploying the funnel. So there's a template, right, so you can download it, and then there's the keywords for advertising, and there's the ad copy, so you can advertise. So guys, again, everything explained from the deployment to the advertising itself. I assume just I'm running this thing. And yeah, so it's very powerful, guys. This, imagine you getting these amazing done for you proven funnels every week. So definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave a link for you in the description. Take a look at it. Again, high ticket program, done for you funnels, a dedicated coach, and all that stuff, and also access to university community. So check it out. Anyway, back to this. So one of the things I want to talk about is retargeting. Okay, now this is where things get a little bit advanced, but it's something that, again, I have talked about on my channel, but also you can Google it for yourself, or if you're a university member, you're gonna learn that stuff. So the idea with retargeting is that, imagine people go through your funnel, right, but they still don't buy. That's fine. What you can do is you can actually run ads all over the internet. Let's say YouTube, Facebook, all those places, right? And you can get these people back to your page, to your ad, and then back to your pre-sale page. This way you create like a continuous loop. All right, this way people are continuously being advertised the same product or multiple products. Now if you remember, I mentioned that you're going to be selling multiple different products in your funnel. So that's the key here. You don't want to limit yourself into a single funnel or single product. That's what I mean, product. So you can just promote multiple different products in your value, in your pitch emails. You don't have to like stick with a single product, by the way. But again, the point is that you want to retarget. Okay, retargeting is just everything. It's something I mentioned because it can be annoying at first for people. They see the same ad over and over. They're like, oh my god, what's up with this guy, or what's up with this gal, like, just leave me alone, you know. But at some point they will click on it and they will consider buying it, because, you know, when you retarget and keep showing the same ad to someone over and over because they were in your funnel, they will think, okay, maybe this person has something very important to say. Maybe it is actually a good product. I should check it out. So it has those mental effects. So you should definitely do that. Retargeting is a very important thing. You can retarget on Facebook, YouTube, Bing, all those. Every advertising place that you can imagine, you can retarget. It's very, very easy. So yeah, so that's another thing that I recommend. Definitely check it out. You should be doing that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure to like this video and just subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I really appreciate that. Now guys, as I mentioned before, the link to the Silver Masterclass is under this video in the description. The thing is that Silver Masterclass is a very different program. If you're struggling to start an online business and if you really need some done for you stuff, Silver Masterclass is actually going to provide that. It's absolutely amazing because you don't have to start anything from scratch. Everything is done for you. There are weekly training videos that we can. That's something that, it's a continuous program. There are weekly training videos that we provide. There's funnels, all the content in that, so you just deploy it and start making money. Even the advertising strategies explained in those videos. So it's just really everything you need is in there. And beside that, also gives you access to the university's high ticket program and also the coaching, dedicated coaching that we have. So it's absolutely amazing. You're gonna love it, I'm sure, and it really doesn't cost anything, so why not just give it a try. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.